Alright, Rob Frazier here. Just got done spending the day in the yard, weed whacking, cutting grass, all that kind of stuff. Yesterday had to riding mower out, Betsy Sue. But wanted to do this quick video while I was thinking about it because coming up with content for a YouTube channel sometimes kind of a pain in the butt, and I don't know what to upload. I feel like I'm saying the same things over and over again, especially when it comes to affiliate marketing. So, purpose of this video is if you have a question and you don't mind me throwing your name out, like not throwing your name out, but mentioning your name in the video, or if you don't want me to put your name in the video, then I won't. But if you do, it's kind of like a little collaboration between us, especially if you have a YouTube channel. I don't have the biggest YouTube channel in the world, but I do have about 7,000 subscribers, give or take. So if you have a question and you don't mind me shouting it out, or using the question in a future video, let me know. Put it down in the comments below. And the purpose I want to do this is, number one, to create more content. A little cat right there. Never a dull moment. Scared the crap out of me. But if you have a question, leave it in the comments below. Goofy cat. That was Ghosty Cat, by the way. When we first moved in, we had 2 cats that came with the house. And we named that one Ghost because she was black, mostly black, had a little bit of white, and she stayed at the other end of the house, other end of the yard. And we virtually never seen her. So we got like an acre and a half here. So if she stays on the other side of the yard, we like never seen her. And so we called her Ghost because we never seen her. So anyways, but if you have any questions, leave it down below. I'll shout out your question. I'll shout out your name, and maybe do a link to your profile in the description of whatever video I answer. So I didn't start succeeding in affiliate marketing until I got a mentor. So if you're looking for an affiliate marketing mentor, feel free to ask me questions. And I do most everything, with the exception, I do not do drop shipping. I don't know anything about that. I do not do, anything like e-com. Everything involving financial transactions online is called e-commerce. But in the traditional sense, I don't do e-commerce. I don't do stores. What I do is CPA marketing, cost per acquisition marketing, affiliate marketing, biz ops, network marketing, which is affiliate marketing, direct sales, anything like that, to which you're an affiliate of a product, or maybe even you're selling your own and you just want to find ways to sell more product, whatever it is. So if you have questions involving that sort of stuff, or any sort of programs, or if you want me to do reviews on different programs, different things like that, let me know in the comments below, and I'll answer your question. So that being said, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm an affiliate marketing mentor because I know helping others helps myself, and it helps me learn the business more so as well, especially when someone asks me a question that I have to go and do research on, or something like that. So that being said, if you want to ask me anything, ask below. Not gonna do anything crazy like oh, you got to charge and all this stuff, because I see a lot of people doing that as well. And yeah, I get it. You're in here to make money, but at the same time, you got to give a certain amount of free value to the marketplace as well every now and again. So, and I feel that's half the stuff that I share is mostly like how to do type stuff, because that's just how my brain is. So anyways, ask your questions, let me know, and I look forward to answering your question and possibly giving you a shout out. We'll see you in the next video.